They say that out of sight is out of mind, that hearts forget and sometimes wander. But since you've been away, sweetheart, I find that absence made my heart grow fonder. Waiting for the train to come in, waiting for my gal to come home. I've counted every minute of each livelong day, been so melancholy since she went away. I've shed a million teardrops or more, waiting for the one I adore. I'm waiting in the depot by the railroad track, looking for the choo-choo train that brings her back. I'm waiting for my life to begin, waiting for the train to come in. They say that out of sight is out of mind, that hearts forget and sometimes wander. But since you've been away, sweetheart, I find that absence made my heart grow fonder. Waiting for the train to come in, waiting for my gal to come home. I've counted every minute of each livelong day, been so melancholy since she went away. I've shed a million teardrops or more, waiting for the one I adore. I'm waiting in the depot by the railroad track, looking for the choo-choo train that brings her back. I'm waiting for my life to begin, waiting for the train to come in. Looking for the choo-choo train that brings her back. I'm waiting for my life to begin, waiting for the train to come in. Fun song from 1945 by Sonny Schuyler and Martin Block, 1945. And again, this is another one that we might know the refrain. Lots of people covered it. I think Peggy Lee was one of them who covered this, but I don't know of anybody who covered the verse. And I find it in the sheet music. I took the sheet music and tweaked it a little bit, so I was inspired by sheet music on this one. And don't be panicky about this one. This is not that difficult. Especially, this is a great song to exercise with if you're learning your bar chords, because it starts out with a C minor 7, which is a one-finger chord. My favorite kind of chord is a one-finger chord, right? Cool. The next one is an F7, which you probably know as 2, 3, 1, 3. And the next one up is a B flat. You make that A shape, bar it, you got a B flat, right? And a B diminished is the next one up, which is like a C diminished back. So we're talking 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can do this bar chorded, so you got a B flat. You're only one finger away. Put that down there. You got your B diminished. So you can go bing, 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 just like that with bar chords. Then back up to the C minor 7. You repeat that whole thing over again. So bar, and then a D minor. That's a mixed melody line of different. C minor 7 back to an F7, and it starts out on a B flat. So we've covered the C minor 7s. We can make a C7 on the C minor 7. If we think about our A7, and we bar it up, we got a B flat 7, we got a B7, the next one up is a C7. So we're on our C minor 7, and this happens once where it says I've counted every minute of each livelong day. Next chord is a C7, so we add that one finger. Been so melancholy since she, back to C minor 7, went away. I've shed a million teardrops or more. Now, the next chord up here is a C7, and the temptation is to just play that finger here, right? Waiting for the one I adore. But danger alert, the next chord up is an E flat. And an E flat, from any perspective, for many people, till you get to a certain skill level, is very difficult, right? It is. And I play mine like this. That's how I play my E. That's how I play my F. That's how I play my, holy cow, I'm going out of control here because it's a movable chord shape. But I'm playing it with, so an E flat is 3, 3, 3, 1. And I use the meaty part of my ring finger to cover 3 strings. Now this is kind of a concert scale soprano body ukulele, so it's bigger than just a soprano. But I can do this on my baritone, okay? So it takes a little extra maneuverism, if you will, to make that E flat. But the cool thing is here, like I say, I call these a framework for fun, right? See what your ears do. If we're up here on this C7, or C minor 7, with that extra string, so it's 3, 4, 3, 3, that's our C7. Listen, test it. Holy cow, it sounds the same. Now the next chord is an E flat, so we can either slide down there and make our E flat, but let's just see what if we hangs out of there. So we're playing our C7. Now if I come up on this again, this is the way it'll be. I shed a million teardrops or more. Here comes our G7. Waiting for the one I adore. Now what if I just pick up that C7, go back to the C minor 7? Because when we play our E flat, we're on that 3rd fret and we're covering 3 strings already, right? We're only covering this one down here. That's our E flat. But what if we just take the easy way and just make a C minor 7 here again? Let's see what that does to our melody line. Let's see. I've shed a million teardrops or more, waiting for the one I adore. Here's where our E flat would be, but let's substitute the C minor 7. I'm waiting in the depot by the railroad track. Holy cow, it works. Our next chord is a B flat. We slide down, make our B flat. I'm looking for the choo-choo train that brings her back. I'm waiting for my life to begin. Waiting. This is a C9. So right down here's your C9, which is open 2, open 1. That's a C9. But up here it's inverted. So we've got 3, 4, 3, 5. That's a C9. Waiting for the train, C minor 7 to a C diminished, to come, B flat, in, and then I just fancied it up with a C diminished, C sharp diminished, to a B flat 6, which is 3, 5, 3, 5. So I'm just going, wait for my life to begin, waiting for the train to come in. Little messing around. It's a framework for fun. What happens if you take a finger off? What happens if you put a finger on? I'll tell you what, if you put a finger on your keyboard and get over to UkesterBrown.com, you can get this song sheet, Waiting for the Train to Come In, on UkesterBrown's song sheets page.